loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am lime green. I may look crazy right now. I just got done priming my eyes with the P. Louise base in 0.5. I'm actually redoing this intro part because I wanted to tell you more about this palette that I'm going to be reviewing today. So this is by Nicka K, as by the title. She came out with 4 new palettes total. Right now I only have 2 of them, which are these 2 right here. I plan to get the other 2 later, so I am going to be doing a tutorial on that, and I'm also going to be using her foundation. A subscriber of mine asked me to review this, so I'm going to be including this in the look. Hopefully this is the new one because this is the only one that my beauty supply store had. And I also picked up some concealer, also picked up a lip products too, so I'm going to be using those as well. So if you want to see how this look turns out, keep on watching. If you're new, I hope you like what you see. Subscribe, hit all on for notifications, and if you're a return subscriber, I really appreciate you. Mwah. So yeah, let's jump into this. So the shade I'm going to go in with first is this color. I just have to use this shade first because why not? This is the color of the palette, so I wouldn't do it no justice if I don't use that color. So I'm going to go in with this, and I'm going to put it right here in this eye area. Alright, so now I'm going to try to blend, and just so you know, with this, it is taking off the product, so that's a little disappointing, but I'm going to try to go in with this. Alright, so I took off the color because I watched another video where this person don't set their base. So I'm not going to set my base. I just took it off. So I'm going to see if the color is going to come on better. Okay. And it looks like it's sticking on better versus me just setting it. So when it comes to the beauty supply makeup, I advise not to probably set your base. Meaning that my base is still kind of wet. So as you can see, it's much more pigmented. Okay, so both my eyes are done. I'm about to go in and cut my crease. I wanted to do like a 2-tone, but that yellow looks a little bit too muted, so I'm gonna go in and cut my crease.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy. For you in the morning, I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye.
Alright, so I have my lashes on. Next I'm gonna go in with the new foundation. Hopefully this is a new one like I said. But this is the liquid foundation, full coverage, natural matte finish. Hopefully this is my shade too. Okay, so it looks like this foundation kind of fits me. It has a nice smell to it. It smells really, really good. So next I'm going to go in with the concealer. I'm used to my foundation being like a little light, but this looks really good on me. It actually matches my skin tone. I like to go lighter because, you know, I bronze, and bronze make you look more warmer. So that's why I go lighter sometimes. I don't contour no more. It makes me look too cool tone. It just doesn't work for me. Okay, so this concealer is in the shade 6. So hopefully this works for me. I thought I was recording, y'all. But anywho, I did my foundation. I really like this foundation and the concealer. I'm very impressed with it. It looks really, really good to me. Maybe I do wish that the concealer was probably more on the olive tone, but it still looks good. Like, this looks really, really nice. I am very impressed. Like, wow. So anywho, I'm going to go ahead with my MAC liner, and I'm also going to use the Nicka K Black Walnut and Coral High Biscuits, which is these shades right here. So I'm just going to line my lips real quick. Okay, y'all, so I'm back with a final look. This is how it's looking.